I'm keeping it my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the Greek ass Civic.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy LS Silverado 254. Tune in for another one. What do we have over here? GoPro. You seen it in the other video. I just want to do a little bit more in-depth look at it and what it does. It was actually pretty short, but I did want to go ahead and put this back on here, how it went, so I can kind of show you, how it's supposed to go. So let me just put this together. The GoPro is pretty much for the has pretty much been working for me. I haven't really had so many complaints or issues. There were some that were about the audio, but with the audio on the GoPro, I mean, it's gonna be, it kind of is what it is. The purpose was more for the actual GoPro, or not the actual GoPro, but the purpose was for the video quality to be good. Of course, you have to have great audio as well, but because I'm not going that deep off into it with the GoPro, it's really not that, to me, it's not that serious. Personally, I'm gonna just keep it all the way 1000 with y'all. It's not. So it has decent audio. You can hear. I'm not trying to get crisp studio audio like I aim for when I have this set up here with the microphone and all of that. So yeah, but yeah, it's definitely a way. So as you can see, you can kind of, and see with this one, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to actually see, now you have like the setup to where I can talk on the GoPro. I was saying, when I'm out on location, I have it. It's not as close. I can bring it in closer if I want to. I can adjust it to where it's like that. Also, like I was saying, there is an actual tripod part right here that comes out. It's unscrews from the bottom, so it's always with you. Don't have to put it somewhere else and then it gets lost. And then it just, boom, it attaches on like that. From there, if I want to sit right here at the video, if I want to sit right here at the desk and shoot a video into the GoPro, then I could. Like, maybe I don't want to have to set up all of that. So maybe I set up my 2 lights, I set the GoPro somewhere over here, I got more lighting, and I just shoot from there. So I am kind of curious how this looks, because I kind of been playing with the settings on the GoPro, like in the Pro Tune or whatnot, trying to get the right balance and everything. Also the ISO, the higher the ISO, the more light you let in. So, but it kind of adjusts off of everything. I had to set it for 100. That's like the lowest. But I want the clearest picture. And being that the GoPro is, kind of smaller. And 9 times out of 10, when I use it, I'm using it in low light or in bright light. I can have the ISO at 400. Yeah. So yeah, man, I think it's a cool little deal. Originally it goes for like $69.99. I thought $70 was a bit excessive. So I did not buy it brand new. I actually found this one on Amazon. Somebody was selling it, stating that it had damage and it was going for like $40. So I copped it. The only damage that was really there is a chip missing off right here, but it as you can see, it doesn't really, from the main function of what I would use it for, it's not gonna really stop me from doing what I need to do. And I saved like 30 bucks, so I'm with it. Because 2018, it is Save That Money. So it's your boy, Ellis Cheverada, signing off. Identify your weaknesses and making me strengths. Gone.